According to research reports and market study by Technavio, posted in Yahoo Finance and Bloomberg, the sports betting industry is an emerging one which is expected to grow by $106 billion by 2025. Hello everyone and welcome to another video from Be Successful, the channel you always leave smarter than you came. We would like to highlight that this is not a financial advice and you should do your own research before investing your money. This video has educational purposes only, therefore investing your money should be a decision you take on your own. With all these being said, we kindly ask you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet and like this video in order to help us grow this community. In today's video, I want to present you another NFT project living on the Elrond blockchain. Ultras is a collection of 2,000 NFTs, built on the Elrond blockchain created for Nerdytips platform. The idea of this collection is to support the growth of Nerdytips and the investment will be used mainly for marketing purposes. As an owner you will become an associate in an established business. So, how does it work? And what is Nerdytips? Nerdytips is a software built in Java which analyzes football matches using artificial intelligence, mathematical formulas, and machine learning. The algorithm learns every day in order to deliver better football tips. It is impossible for a human to analyze each match, so Nerdytips algorithm will help you with choosing the safest football tips. The algorithm was developed in more than 2 years and it was released in May 2021. Analyzing around 34,000 matches out of which 22,000 won until now. They are 100% transparent with their customers and you can check the whole progress on their website. You can find the link in the description. They are offering 3 plans based on a time period where each of them offer full access to all the football tips, statistics, filters and any other functionality. The website is currently accessed by 200 users daily. Before registration, you have 3 days free trial in order to get used to the platform and understand what it can offer to you. The subscription price differs from the country you access the platform and it can be between $30 and $50. But here comes the utility of the Ultras collection. The owners of the NFTs will benefit of lifetime subscription on Nerdytips by logging in with the Elrond wallet. 60% of Nerdytips revenue will go to NFT holders weekly. They will be distributed in EGLD and can be checked on their website. The rewards distribution has already started. As an owner of Ultras NFT, every Wednesday you receive your EGLD rewards. Beside this, 75% of the royalties are monthly distributed to the holders in EGLD as well. Between the 2,000 NFTs, there are 50 Easter eggs where 5 out of them were already minted in the first pre-sale. Their purpose is to generate more passive income than the common NFTs and can be recognized by the logo of the Nerdytips platform. At the moment this video was created, the Nerdytips platform produces around $1,000 monthly, which generates around $1.50 per month for a common NFT and about $12 per month for an Easter egg. As mentioned before, the revenue generating by selling the NFTs will be redirected in marketing for the Nerdytips platform. Their goal is to increase the number of monthly paying users and make the platform one of the reference soccer predictors worldwide. 40% of the revenue will go towards Google and social media custom campaigns, 20% into search engine optimization in order to increase in organic growth, 20% of the revenue will go towards influencers and public figures in order to promote the website, and the last 20% will be allocated to development and maintenance of the platform. Regarding the distribution of the Ultras collection, the first pre-sale of 200 NFTs is sold out and the second drop is coming on 12th of May at a price of 1 EGLD and 25. With each upcoming drop the price increases with 0.25 EGLD, therefore you should stay tuned and grab yours as soon as possible. The sale will take place on Trust Market and you will be able to purchase your NFT for 1 EGLD and 25 on 12th of May at 8 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated +3. The team is formed from 3 dedicated and passionate people, 2 software specialists and 1 legal advisor who is in charge of the social media growth. Another thing that I like is the fact that the team is transparent when it comes to show who is behind the project, and therefore you can check each member profile and his professional background. On the website as well as in the white paper you can find their roadmap for 2022. It includes relevant and important milestones for the project such as improving the search engine optimization, marketing strategies, airdrops and giveaways for the holders, launching the iOS app for Nerdytips platform, implementing EGLD payments and many more. I find this project interesting to watch in the future, and I like the idea that the Ultra's NFT collection has utility in real life and creates passive income for its holders. I would like to highlight once again that this is not a financial advice and you should do your own research. Until next time, please take care of your money.